Right now, you're looking at a notable spike in financial sentiment. With a sentiment score of plus 0.27 and momentum climbing to plus 0.53, this isn't just noise, it's a significant shift compared to our historical baseline. This sudden surge suggests a heightened confidence among participants, reflected in 19 semantic clusters, buzzing with activity around key topics. What can you do with this data? Imagine integrating it into your trading algorithm to pinpoint entry and exit points based on real-time sentiment shifts. You could fine-tune your strategies to align with market sentiment, potentially giving you an edge. To dive deeper into how our API returns this valuable information, head over to pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's harness this sentiment together.